Hey skaters, today's video is a video about just like a little drills video. And I used to have a hard time with this. And it's just basically when you've got enough speed to come out of that quarter pipe and get up on top of the deck, you know, what are you gonna do? There's many ways to get up and out, but this is just a basic skill. It's just stepping out very cautiously, very carefully onto the coping. You're basically stepping your arch of your skate, or if you have grind blocks, you're stepping your grind block right on that coping. This used to terrify me, but I think it's just, you got to get over the mind of it, the fear of it in your head. It's just, you use it as your friend, like you're kind of stepping up some stairs, sort of, right? So I'm going to demonstrate it over here on this little half pipe. So what you want to do is, in my case, I step in and I lead with my left, and as I'm coming up the ramp, it doesn't really matter, but you just take one of your feet and just try to step right on that coping and use your momentum to step you up and over top onto the deck. Again, it's terrifying for beginners, but we're going to give it a shot here. Ready?
Terrifying but exhilarating, right?
Yes.
Yes.
It's fun too.
It's fun.
You feel real controlled.
Yeah.
I used to climb out of the ramp and stuff, so this is fun. So what you do is you're going to drop in and you want to eye right where you want to put your foot, right? Eye right there, okay? And really try to put the foot right on that coping and just use it to step up and over. It sounds easy, but it's scary. So try it again. Ready? Drop in. And then just step and roll out. See, it's nice and smooth because you step with the one foot on the coping, and then you just step up and over on top of the deck, and you just roll out like you know what you're doing, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we'll do it again.
Smooth.
Nice and smooth. Ready? There you go. So you're just using that as a step, right? Do it one more time.
Okay.
That was a little slower, more controlled, see? You can kind of stay with it more. Once you get comfortable with it, and you kind of, when you step on it, I think Jasmine's video, the last one where she talks about touching and squatting, that's a good drill to learn when you're doing something like this. The more you get comfortable with this, you'll find that you'll get softer and you'll sink more into this, and it's more controlled, right? Instead of like rushed. So you want to do it real controlled.
Yeah.
Like that, all right?
Nice.
I think that's pretty good, all right?
Nice. It's the foundation for being able to stall.
Yeah, for being able to stall.
Yeah.
You just get comfortable with being on that coping. Once you get comfortable with that, you know, start stalling. Right?
Yeah. Nice.
So yeah, little skills, little drills video for you guys. So hope you guys found it fun. This is a basic beginner video, and it's all about foundation. People ask us all the time, how do you do this? How do you do that? Well, you can't start with the hard stuff. You got to start with this easy kind of stuff and learn the foundation, and the muscle memory kicks in, and then you just do baby steps. We're older, so it wasn't easy to get to the level we're at. Not that we're really awesome, but we can do some stuff. But anyway, that's a little, I'm regressing here. Anyway, I hope you guys liked today's video, found it helpful. If you have any questions about any of the mechanics of it, please put your comments down below. We'll respond to your questions. We appreciate you guys, as always, checking out our videos, and we hope you guys found this one especially fun, and we'll look forward to the next one for you guys. So thanks again, you guys. Until next time, we'll see you later.